Butter paneer. Butter paneer is very similar to paneer korma, but they're a little bit different. And the biggest difference, other than of course butter, is that butter paneer does not have turmeric. So let's take a look and see what ingredients go into butter paneer. So for this recipe, I'm definitely going off of the pantry and the freezer just to make my life a little bit easier, but of course you can use fresh ingredients. We've got some Italian-style vegetables that we're going to add in there just to add some vegetables into our dish, some frozen chopped onions, about a handful of cashew nuts, minced ginger, butter of course, 5 cloves of garlic, about half a can of diced tomatoes, some heavy whipping cream, and of course a package of paneer. The only real prep work we need to do is to mince our ginger, and of course slice up our paneer into little cubes, and then we're ready to start cooking. Heat up a pan over medium-high heat and add in 2 tablespoons of butter, then add in 2 bay leaves, 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds, and 3 cardamom pods. Fry that up for 1 to 2 minutes to just really get that butter nice and flavorful. Then we're going to add in the onions, fry for another 1 to 2 minutes. Add in 1 teaspoon of coriander, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, add in the cashews, add in the garlic and minced ginger, add in 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder, fry that for another 1 to 2 minutes, and then add in the diced tomato and let that cook for 5 to 6 minutes. And then we're going to pull all the ingredients out and blend them. You want to definitely make sure you let the ingredients cool because blending in them when they're hot can be explosive. And we're going to add in about half of a cup of water and just go ahead and blend that all up. Add that back to the pot and then use another about a half of a cup of water and just get the remaining good sauce out of the jar. And then over medium-high heat, bring that back up to a boil. Should take about 2 to 3 minutes. And if you're adding in frozen or fresh vegetables, add those in now and let those cook for 3 to 5 minutes. Then add in the paneer and stir carefully for about 4 to 5 minutes. Lower the heat to medium-low, and let that cook for another 10 to 12 minutes or until the paneer is soft. And finally, we're going to add in another 2 tablespoons of butter, 3/4 of a teaspoon of garam masala, and about a teaspoon of kasuri methi. And that kasuri methi really adds that sort of amazing, kind of undescribable flavor to your dish. And then we're going to use about 1/4 of a cup of cream. And man, doesn't that just look delicious? Stir that all up. And then we're going to add in some salt to taste. I'm going to add in about 1.5 teaspoons of salt. And there we go, a beautiful looking butter paneer with vegetables. Hey, not bad.